What's up, Tron Trx crypto holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, first of all, I'm talking about the TRX. What's the current price of TRX? What's the price change occurring in the TRX? And what's going on in this time in the TRX? You know what? In this time, the whole cryptocurrencies market is going down. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, every coin price is negative. Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, VeChain, Shiba. A lot of cryptocurrencies pricing is going down, my friends. Today is the crazy day of cryptocurrencies market, so get ready and don't worry about these price change, my friends. My friends, in this video I'm talking about especially the TRX, so keep watch. And my friends, please subscribe ABS Tech channel, my friends. The currently and latest price of the Tron TRX is 0.054881 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the TRX. Other side, furthermore, my friends, the price change over in the TRX is negative. But you know what, in the last hour, in the last 60 minutes, the price change of the TRX is going positive. So maybe, my friends, there is a chances to the prices continue for a long time, and we get profit from a TRX in the future. But let me show you the price chart. Oh my god, is my friends, this price chart of the TRX tell us that we are completely in the loss. The price trend is going down. Everybody can understand if we are in the loss. And if you look further more, so the price trend is negative 23.89%. The price trend is negative, so that's mean that you're in the loss. So my friends, my personally and my special advice for all of you is that please hold. Holding is the only way to solve your problem. Holding is the only way to save yourself from loss. Hold it and be safe from loss. Otherwise, if you decide to sell, so you are in the loss. What is your think? What is your opinion? What is your prediction about TRX? Please tell me in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.